When I'm working, it's a stressful day, say I have a class and students have exam and all kind of meetings and everything, then I decompress myself by playing music. I was in Africa, in Ghana, so I went to a rural area and I saw that they're making djembes, so I bought one. This is djembe.
For our first act, we're lucky enough to have Dr. Rahman on tabla playing Samba Pati by Santana.
I was born in a Muslim family, and many families, they don't like music. Some families prohibit it. My family was extremely liberal. They let me play music, do anything I wanted, encouraged to do that. And you sing along, okay? So that's harmonium. I think music is more than stress, really. Music is kind of soul of my life, I would say. I cannot live without music.